So the video you just watched mentioned some things to look for when you go to a website. One of them is to look at the URL. When you look up at the URL, you can decide if this is trustworthy by looking at the last part of it. If it says .com or .net, it means somebody has created it. Sometimes there's even someone's last name involved in the URL, and that gives you a big sign that an individual created it. If it says .edu or .gov, then it's more trustworthy because you know it is an educational or a government website. When you look at a website, just look around and see if it's trustworthy and if it's believable. Okay, you will have to delve into it to see what this site is all about, but you could probably tell pretty quick whether this is a trustworthy site or not. You can also check if you can find up here where it says authors, who wrote this website. That can tell you a lot whether or not you're going to trust the people who wrote it. Were they writing it because it's part of something they believe in, or are they writing it because they're a professional and know what they're saying? Also look for the date on the website. Sometimes it's at the bottom, sometimes it's right up on top, sometimes you have to search a little bit. Also pay attention to images that you see and any videos that are related to the website. So click around, look at what's happening, click on some of the links and see where these links lead you to. Now, today I'm going to have you use your detective skills and look at 4 sites. You're just going to start today. You'll probably finish next class time. So go into the Symbaloo and go to 4th grade. And you'll go down to sites 1, 2, 3, and 4 and start there. You will at the same time have a little sheet that you can fill out. And there's 4 simple questions. This is trying to help you figure out if these sites are real or fake. Is this site current? So that means you're going to look for the date. If I say yes, it is current for site 1, I'm going to write just a Y. Can you find an author? If you can find the author, do you think that author is trustworthy? Either yes or no. Does this information make sense on the website? Can you use your instincts and your guts to tell you whether or not you should believe in what the website is showing you? And can you find anything that looks fishy? Meaning, does it look strange? Are there spelling mistakes? Are there facts that do not double check with another resource? Are you pretty sure that this is not true or that it is true? So if you find stuff that looks a little bit strange, maybe down here in the notes you can write what that is. Since we will be continuing next time, that might be a good idea. Make sure you put your name at the top because I will be collecting these at the end of class to finish up next time. And what you're going to do is go to site 1, start there, site 2, site 3, and site 4, and use your detective skills to see whether or not you believe these are true or if they're fake websites. Down at the bottom, if you want to write maybe fake or real, and you can mark it fake or real at the bottom to kind of help you remember. All right, there you go. Have fun and make sure you think before you believe.